Hey friends! When you are enjoying happy hour in the bar, have you ever thought about where those cold beers and drinks come from? To keep beer and beverage cool and fresh, an efficient back bar cooler is essential. Apex Back Bar Cooler has a powerful compressor that uses our 290 or our 600A ECO-friendly refrigerant. The walls are filled with high-density insulation, keeping the temperature between 0 to 8 Celsius. Apex Back Bar Cooler uses dynamic cooling system. Even during periods of high customer traffic, when bartenders frequently open and close the refrigerator door to restock and take out beer, the temperature inside the cooler can always be kept within a constant range, keeping the drinks fresh. More importantly, long service life and lower energy consumption. The double sliding door design is very smooth and flexible, which is suitable for narrow bar operating spaces. Waiters can quickly retrieve beer without affecting the movement of personnel. And you don't have to worry about its sealing. The sliding door is equipped with an automatic return door system, ensuring energy efficiency and cooling performance. These coolers have tough steel exteriors with a durable black coating for long-lasting use. In addition, exteriors and interior can also be equipped with stainless steel to meet your various scene needs. This back bar cooler can be customized in a variety of heights, so you don't have to worry about space utilization. To know more about Apex, please feel free to contact us.